Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you've just received your Landbank ATM card, you'll need to activate it before you can use it for withdrawals, deposit and online banking. So let us begin on how to activate it. So the recommended and easiest method. So firstly, visit the Landbank ATM near you. Insert your new Landbank ATM card into the machine. Select PIN, change or activate card from the menu. Enter the default PIN. After that, set a new 6-digit PIN of your choice and confirm it. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated. Method number 2 as well is you can visit the nearest Landbank branch with your ATM card and valid ID. You can request card activation from the bank staff, fill out the required activation form, the bank will process your request, and confirm when your ATM card is activated. Also, you can use customer service to activate your card as well. You can call their hotline. You can find the number on the official website. And what to do after activation? Just test your ATM card by making a small withdrawal or balance inquiry. Guys, this is the final tip as well. If your card isn't working after activation, visit a Landbank branch for further assistance. They will fix all of your problems. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps. Like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.